My name's Erin and I'm a volunteer at the food pantry at Sac State. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to make pasta. So I have a little bit prepared already. I have my seasonings out and then marinara sauce. I'm vegetarian, so I'm using my pea protein crumbles instead of ground turkey or ground beef, but you can use whatever you want to use. Mixed veggies, and then pasta. So I already have the pasta boiling in the pot. What you want to do with this is add about half full of water, let that come to a boil, and then add salt and a little bit of oil so that the noodles don't stick inside of the pot, and then add your noodles inside of it. And so you want to let them cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, and it actually looks like they're ready. So I'm going to go ahead and drain them. And you want to use a colander. Let it drain a little bit. And then I'm going to use a towel so that it doesn't get all over the place. Okay. Now that that's draining, I'm going to go ahead and put my veggie crumbles inside of the pan. It's already, this is a non-stick pan, and so just go ahead. Put it in there. If you're using like 99% fat-free ground turkey, you're going to want to add a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick. And I just like to go ahead and add all of the different seasonings. So this is parsley. And then garlic and onion. You can never go wrong with those. And salt and pepper, and then Italian seasoning as well. And then my salt. And then with non-stick pans, you want to use like a wooden handle so that it doesn't scratch your pot or pan. And you're going to want to let this brown. Make sure if you're using ground turkey or ground beef, you want to make sure there's no redness in the meat at all. I'm just stirring periodically so that it doesn't stick on the pan. And I like to do my meat first to get it, well, my fake veggie meat first so that it's hot. And then I like to add the sauce and let that cook a little bit further just to get it hot. And then also I'm gonna add the mixed veggies separately in its own little pot. And with this, you wanna let it drain first. Go ahead and put a little bit of water into your pot. Just dump those veggies in. And then you'll put it on the stove at medium heat and just let it cook through. Veggie meat is all done, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my marinara sauce. This one I got from Costco, but you can use any sauce you want to use. All right, so add your sauce inside and just let it heat up. The sauce is already cooked, so all you're doing here is just letting it warm. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there for a little bit and let it heat. And again, my veggies are on the stove as well. And let me show you the noodles, all nice. You want to make sure that they're al dente, so not too hard, not too soft. Tastes good. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this. So put as much as you like in the bowl. And then let's go over here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the sauce because it's all done. And a different one for veggies. Can't forget our veggies. Alright, and we're all done. Spaghetti. For more info on the food pantry, you can go ahead and go on their website, and I'll put a link down in the video for you. Bye, have a good day.